Join me for some gentle and fun yoga that will energize you and make you feel lighter. I am Anne-Marie and let's begin. Oh, nice shoulder roll, maybe a nice ooh, up, 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 ee, hee, hee, ooh. Up, 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 you can do hee, 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 send them back, ooh, up, ee, hee, down. Ooh, one more, ooh, ha, ha, ha. Ooh, shake, shake, shake. Shake the elbow a little bit like you're flying. A little front and back here, wrist. Your neck looking around. Very small circle. We never go like past our range of motion. We try not to force. Make sure everything feels just right. If not, we come out of it. So read the disclaimer. Take good care of yourself, my goodness. Now let's start breathing our arms up. And if you can just breathe, that's good. You don't have to inhale up or exhale down. Just breathe, don't hold your breath. And exhale down. Now inhale your hands up to your ears and up while listening to the music. If it's relaxing to you, I love jazz. And to your ears, and up, exhale down, and to your ears, and up, exhale down. Now we're gonna add a little tread to it. We're gonna add a little tread, just inhaling both arms up, and adding a little twist. Now if this is too much on you, just keep your hands down and bring them up a little bit. No cats and cow today. Come back tomorrow. Yeah, and exhale. Now maybe tread this hand under if it wants to go there. We're not forcing, just little pumps. Pump, pump, pump. Oh, I hope you kept breathing. Inhale up, exhale. Turn your hip to the other side. This time we're gonna tread. I'm not quite going under my arm. I'm not that flexible. That's why I do yoga. Yoga isn't for people who can like bend in all kind of ways. It's for people like us that need a little like helping our range of motion or flexibility. So, oh, nice. Now let's just sit with our legs in the front of us. It's called staff pose. I'm making room for my bums here. What my sit bones. To sit on the ground. So I'm making a little room here. Hey, that's life, right? A little space here. Back is straight. If the back is doing this, we do that to bring it back up. We're gonna lift the knees, but only if it feels fine for you. So let's grab one knee and bring it up a little bit. Up a little bit. Ooh, huh? Do you feel that? Other legs, up a little bit. We're not doing tons of those, don't worry. Make the few we do count. Up and up. You can alternate, you can do 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. Whatever feels good for you. Add the hands too if you want a little extra motion. Oh, nice. Now, if it's a possibility for you, sit on your heels. If not, just sit crisscross like we were. We're gonna do little circle here, like like belly front, belly side, belly into my back, belly other side, belly front, reverse that. So make a little circle. You can just do one side then the other. If you want a nice little stretch in the toes, just tuck them. See how that feels. Scoop your ice cream, scoop your ice cream. You want to go up a little bit so you can get a little more into the vibe? Yeah, where's our headphones, huh, when we need it? Ooh, yeah. You take care of your alignment. Make sure you're not hurting. Yoga can be fun. You know, You're already serious taking care of yourself. Make it fun too. Make it fun too. Nice little wave stretch here. Inhale up, exhale, side to side. We're gonna add to this again. Your arms can be right down here, elbows down if you want. So go at your own range of motion. You're moving just as hard as everybody else. Hello, Paka. This is not tomorrow yet. Come back then for cats and cows. She likes teaching that part. She does it better than I. Now we're gonna add to this. We're gonna add a little twist and a hand back and a wave. Opposite knee wants to go towards the mat. Other hand wants to pet the cat. Inhale up, exhale, little twist, waist down, all the way up. Little support here. Ooh, nice little twist, maybe a little side band added to that if it feels good, the whole thing. Ooh, pet the cat. Pretend you have a cat there. See how that feels? One more on each side. Ooh, pet the cat while you're here now. Pet the cat. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep breathing, of course. Pet the cat. She knows. She saw me practice earlier. She knows my hand comes down. Oh my gosh. Ooh, shake everything. Maybe even shake your feet. Shake your leg. We didn't do too much with our lower body today. So next class we'll add a little bit more of that. So you made it. You're feeling lighter, energized, and ready to go for another gentle video on my stretch and smile playlist if you wish. So I'll see you over there. Until then, have a wonderful rest of the day and namaste.